Two-factor ANOVA consists of two factors. Let's call them A and B. And these two factors have two levels, I and J. I being corresponding to A, and J corresponding to B. So with these factors, you can create a table, like the one shown here, in which group 1, 1 is group 1 from the rows times group 1 from the columns. And you can do this for however many values you have. And creating this table helps you analyze the difference in these different factors and how they will affect each other. So Excel is a great tool which makes calculation of ANOVA tables a lot easier. And you can use this like with whatever you have. So let's say you calculate these values and you get you can easily get SS, MS, F, and P from Excel really easily and fast, and you don't have to do any hand calculations. But what good are these values to you, right? Like, what do they do? So you can use the F and P values to prove whether your null hypothesis is correct or not. And this is really important in engineering because we need to go through this project that we have, right, and be able to prove whether our assumptions are correct or not. So I'll give you a little introduction to different types of rockets. So as an aerospace engineer, this is what I want to do with my career. So here I'm going to show you the three main types of rockets. So there's liquid propellant rockets, solid propellant rockets, and hybrid propellant rockets. Basically, liquid propellant rockets have a liquid propellant to them, solid propellants have only a solid, and hybrids have a mix of both. And we can use two-way ANOVA to compare rocket types and propellant types and see how the burn rate is affected through them. So with the table that Excel gives you, you can see whether your hypothesis of the rocket propellant or the type of rocket, or both of them, affects the burn rate or not. And this is really useful because we need to be able to correctly explain these values to whoever's in charge, right? And we can use this two-way ANOVA to show and compare two factors that can be hard to say with just words. And with the math, we can easily prove whether or not they affect our total values.